Hi guys, today I will show you how to add Prezor Live DVR in our CMS and VMS software. So we can see now. Please follow the same step how to add from IP address in local in our CMS software and how to add P2P ID in our CMS software. So follow the same step. So let's see. First click on CMS software. This is our CMS software. So no need to put the password. Directly click on login. First I will show you. This is a CMS software options. So first need to select system. So now click on device manager. So when you first time use this CMS software, so no device add in this. Okay, so first select zone list, then click on add area. First need to add area like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, which you want you can add. So now I am adding some area. Okay, after this when you select Mumbai, then add device option will display. Okay, without adding area, add device and modify that option, this option will not display. Okay, so first click on Mumbai, then click add device. So now you can add our DVR. So first if you are in local network, so you can directly IP search. Click on IP search. So your DVR will all DVR will search if you are in local network. So our DVR IP address is 1.9. so you can double click on it. Okay, first you can put your DVR name DVR1 like this, and if any password in your DVR, so you can put, otherwise directly click on OK. Okay, so your DVR is added now. So I show you. So left side on screen Mumbai also showing, and DVR also. Okay, so click on it, right click on DVR1 and open all mainstream. If your network is very poor, very slow, and PC also very slow, so you can select extra stream, otherwise you can select mainstream. If you have a multiple DVR like a 3 to 5 DVR, so need to select extra stream, so your bandwidth consume less. So now I am only show you demo, so I am click on mainstream. So this is a DVR and NVR, you can see like this. Okay, so now this is a IP camera configuration, IP through IP configuration. So I will show you now how to add P2P ID, how to add P2P ID of DVR in this CMS. Okay, so same step follow. First I show you DVR serial number and P2P ID. So this is our DVR 1.9 IP address. Okay, you can see. So first click on device config. This is all settings. Okay, so our P2P ID will show in version. So go to version option, and this is our P2P ID. So first, if your DVR is online, so NAT status need to show connected. If this is not showing connected, if it is showing probing DNS and connecting, that means your problem in internet connection. So need to check cables and routers and internet, all things. So now is this DVR is online, so showing connected. So I am only copy that the serial number. Okay, now I am opening my CMS software. Okay, so same step follow as a IP address, so same step also need to follow in this. Okay, so select Mumbai and click on add device. So if you are adding from IP address, so need to click on it. Okay, if you are adding from cloud, means serial number, through serial number, so need to click on it. Okay, so now I am enter serial number of DVR. If any password, so you can put, otherwise you can add any DVR P2P. Okay, so you can add name also and directly click on OK button. So this DVR add also from P2P, so you can now see from other location also. You can see all your camera from other location. So I will show you from P2P. So double click on it. Okay, so now your DVR is online, so right click on it. So note down, first if you are configuring from P2P ID, so need to select extra stream, because P2P is take a very less streaming. So if you select main stream, so your camera sometime disconnect, sometime showing some error. So if your internet speed is very good, so you can select mainstream, otherwise select extra stream. Extra stream take a very less bandwidth, so you can view easily your all camera. So thank you guys. If any difficulties for doing online and configuration CMS, so same configuration you can follow in VMS software also. So thank you. If any query, so you can contact me.